This is Brenda at the 50plusnetwork.com. I am on the 29th floor of the Hilton Rosslyn Key, and we're watching the planes come in. Look where we are. We're watching these planes come in the National Airport. Look at that. Every minute they come in. Look, right over the hotel. That is amazing. These planes come in every minute. Look where we are. That is Georgetown University over there. That's the Potomac River. This is the skyline of Washington, D.C. This is the Key Bridge right here, crossing over the Potomac. And this area is Georgetown and the wharf right along the water. A beautiful skyline on the 29th floor of the Hilton Rosslyn Key. Every minute a plane comes in. That's what we're doing. We went to a family reunion yesterday. We celebrated with family. We're relaxing today. And we're watching the planes come in. It's very relaxing. Look at the boats on the water. This is a Sunday afternoon in June. It's a wonderful day and a wonderful way to spend the afternoon. If you see anything you like, please click like and subscribe to follow us on our traveling journey, the 50plusnetwork.com.